Welcome students. Today, we are going to see week number 39. In week number 39, we are going to discuss about the topic of assembling techniques, part 2. Let's see the objectives of this topic. You shall be able to state the uses of cylindrical and taper pins, state the features and uses of different types of cylindrical pins, specify cylindrical pins, state the advantages of taper pins, state the features and uses of different types of taper pins, state the uses of the different types of grooved pins, state the features and uses of spring pins. First, we are going to see the definition of cylindrical and taper pins. Locating hole position for assemblies whenever they are dismantled and assembled. Examples: jigs and fixtures, cover plates, machine tool assembly, etc. Assembling components. Examples: wheels, gears, levers, cranks, etc. to shafts. Now we are going to see the designation of cylindrical pins. Cylindrical pins are designated by the name, nominal diameter, tolerance on diameter, nominal length, and the number of BIS standard. The example is a cylindrical pin of nominal diameter 10 mm, tolerance H8, and nominal length 20 mm, shall be designated as cylindrical pin 10H8 into 20 IS 2393. Let's see the types of cylindrical pins. Cylindrical pins are available with different types of ends, tolerances, surface quality. Cylindrical pins are also available in unhardened and hardened conditions. Now, see the unhardened cylindrical pins. Unhardened cylindrical pins are of three types. 1. Chamfered and rounded end. Chamfered end, square end. They are useful in general assembly work. And next, we are going to see hardened cylindrical pins. Hardened cylindrical pins are made of high-grade steel and are finished by grinding. These pins can withstand higher shearing force. These pins are used in precision assemblies like jigs and fixtures and other tool making works. In tool assemblies, the parts will be fixed by screws or bolts and are located by using cylindrical pins. Let's see the definition of taper pins. Taper pins of different types are used in assembly work. Taper pins allow for frequent dismantling and assembling of components without disturbing the precise nature of location. They are used to transmit small torques. Now, we are going to see the types of taper pins. Taper pins are of three types. Type A, taper pins with a surface finish of N6. Type B, taper pins with a surface finish of N7. Type C, split taper pins with a surface finish of N7. All taper pins have a taper of 1:50 and are finished within a dimensional tolerance of H10. Next, we are going to see threaded taper pins. Locking the pins and preventing loosening due to vibration. Assisting in drawing the pins out of the blind holes. Threaded taper pins with internal threads are also available. Then, we are going to discuss about grooved pins. These pins have three slots rolled on the outer surface. The sides of the grooves or slots bulge out. The holes in which slotted pins are used are not finished by reaming. Grooved pins are available as straight pins and tapered pins. These are used in assemblies which are not dismantled frequently and where high accuracy is not required. And last, we are going to see spring pins. Spring pins are used for locating assemblies with wide tolerance in the corresponding holes. These pins are manufactured from flat steel bands and rolled to form a cylindrical shape. These springs will stay tight in the fitting hole because of the spring action. With the remembrance of this topic, we are going to play one quiz game. The question is, what is the name of the cylindrical pin type given below? The options are A. Chamfered end, B. Chamfered and rounded end, C. Square end, and D. Rounded end. And the answer is B. Chamfered and rounded end. With this, we are completed the topic in part 2, and I will be back with another topics in part 3 of week number 39. Thank you.